to show you how I would design a gradient for my thumbnail. We're going to go to homepage. I definitely want to use the thumbnail size. And I'm just going to click this, even though I don't really want to use that. And I'm just going to select everything and get rid of it all. We're going to go here and I'm going to search for blue, yellow. And I'm going to see if I can find a graphic that I can alter for my background. This is called grunge. Let's see. I don't know what I think about that. What's this? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one. This one's called blue and yellow spray paint. But I've got an idea that instead of it being blue and yellow, that I could use color mix and maybe have this amethyst color instead. And then I'm going to change this to be one of the colors, that pink color. So I use the eyedropper. I can replace the background just like that. And then, so right click, replace background. And now we're going to adjust the image with a blur. And I need to make it bigger so that it looks like that. Maybe click done. I kind of like that look. So I'm going to download this one. So if I replace background there, look at that. That is really cool looking. If I flip it vertically, oh, I like that a lot. So do you see, like, I kept working on it until I got it to kind of where I wanted it. And yes, I did use somebody else's element, but I flipped it on its head and just did a few things. And that's how I would use that gradient in a thumbnail. I love it. I'm actually going to change this back. But I want to put this one into my custom gradient file because I'm definitely going to be using that one for sure. And I'm going to add a tag to it called, let's see, thumbnail gradient. And then I'm going to call it thumbnail gradient, pink, green. If you like this tutorial on gradients, then you're really going to love this one that talks about 3 different ways that you can create gradients, and you can watch it right now. See you next time. Bye.